L'olio nuovo, l'olio della Toscana. So it's extra virgin olive oil. You know, every year there's the olive press, and the oil that we get isn't the oil that most get at the supermarket, but the good stuff is just, it's peppery, it's so simple. You won't even add any balsamic or anything like that. You just have it as a finishing oil or as a, you know, a dipping oil. It's so fantastic. Probably La Genovese, which is a Neapolitan slow-cooked onion and beef dish that gets cooked for about 7 hours. Well, not 7 hours, but 5. And it just kind of almost disintegrates, you know, and it just melts in your mouth. And you have it with ziti spezzati, so you break up the pasta, and it's just so comforting. I think ingredients, ingredients, the freshness, I'm coming from an Italian point of view, and then, keep tasting your food. To me, it's about cooking and tasting as you go along and enjoying the process. And then lastly, have a good bottle of wine. Wine that you would drink is only the wine you used to cook. Always senza zucchero, bitter like life. How's that for some Neapolitan humor?